That's more than people make at their full-time jobs. Do you understand that? Literally by making silly Canva templates. Have you ever wondered what a full month of running a successful Etsy digital shop really looks like? Today I'm pulling back the curtain on my January income report, and I thought about honestly making a new series updating you guys on every single month of what I made running a digital shop. So today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes on every move I made in the month of January. If you're looking to fine-tune your own strategy and boost your monthly results, this is the deep dive for you. All right, so let's start with what I'm doing on the day-to-day to drive my shop's performance. One key decision I made early on was to list one new product every week. So instead of spreading myself thin by trying out every idea, I honed in on a few specific niches that have consistently shown strong results for me. By focusing on these proven areas, I can allocate my time and creative energy where it really matters most, and honestly what just makes sense for me. This approach isn't just about consistency, it's about quality and focus. Analyzing my past data and pinpointing what niches have really resonated with my audience, I've been able really to build my shop around that. Point two that I wanted to kind of talk about is the momentum that I experienced in early January. So the first 2 weeks, honestly, of the month were incredible and by far my highest selling period of the month. And there's honestly a really good reason for that, because that's when New Year's hit and people are setting new business goals and looking for new resources to kickstart their adventures. Since my shop specializes in business-related digital products, I saw a significant spike in demand right when my audience was most motivated to invest in their success. And honestly, I really expected this because we all know that when the new year hits, usually people are like, I'm doing this and I'm starting that and I'm going to the gym 15 days a week. Like I knew that was gonna come. But also I kind of want to, give me some credit because I knew the early surge wasn't luck and it was a direct result from my timing and strategy. So the new year energy I knew was going to be a powerful force, and I made sure my listings were perfectly aligned with what my audience was looking for. And it honestly just reminded me that timing can be just as crucial as the product itself. So next up is honestly probably one of the most impactful parts of my strategy, obviously, is Etsy ads. And if you watch my videos, you know I love Etsy ads. I literally could marry them if I could. So currently I have my shops running at about $1,000 a day. And before you click off this video and you're like, oh my gosh, that's too expensive, it doesn't spend $1,000 a day. It's just what my ad spend could go up to. Usually it's about like 20% of that, even 10%. So in January, I spent exactly $2,622.99 on ads. However, that investment drove a targeted traffic surge, resulting in $6,049.05 in revenue directly from those ads. And that came from 296 orders alone. You guys, 296 orders just from ads. That's not even from organic traffic that I got. Like, do you see the power of digital products? I wish more people could see that it really is not that hard. Like, it just takes a lot of discipline and time, but it really is not rocket science, okay? Like, I'm not working for NASA. I'm literally working on Canva. What I love about Etsy ads is really how precise they can be. I love the ability that I have to tailor my campaigns and my budget based on the ads performance. This really has just allowed me to reach potential customers who are actively searching for digital products just like mine. And at the end of the day, we have to remember this isn't just about increasing orders. It's about building a community of engaged buyers who trust my brand. By leveraging ads, it has become an essential part of my overall strategy, and it's a tactic I plan to refine even further in the coming months, and I cannot wait to see what my shop does 5-6 months from now. So beyond my ad campaigns, I really kept a close eye on my overall shop performance, and this is where I'm talking about the organic traffic that I brought in as well. But throughout January, in total of orders, I did 383 orders. By focusing on what works and not getting distracted by trying to please every niche, I've really managed to streamline my efforts and create a more efficient, profitable workflow. Every new listing, every ad dollar spent, and every piece of customer feedback has played a part in this monthly journey. Reflecting on January, a few key lessons stand out. The first thing is sticking to a consistent product release schedule has really helped me maintain my shop's momentum and keep my shop dynamic. The second thing would definitely be focusing my efforts on niches that are already performing for me, because I'm not trying to spread my creative efforts too thin, because creativity comes in bursts and you need to put all your energy into a product that is going to perform well. And the last thing, honestly is my Etsy ads, being understanding that not every ad is going to perform well, and that's okay. But if it's not performing well, turn it off, and I guarantee you the next one probably will. These insights are invaluable, and as I plan to move to the next month, I can't wait to see what's going to happen for my shop. All right, you guys, and now, as promised, it's time for the big reveal. After all the strategies, surges, ads, yada yada yada, my total revenue for January came in at $7,825.14, with a total of 383 orders for the month of January. You guys, that is literally the most money I have ever made on Etsy. I've never even fathomed being able to make $2,000, $3,000. Now I'm up here almost at $8,000 for the month. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, that is insane. That's more than people make at their full-time jobs. Do you understand that? Literally by making silly Canva templates, like, you can make this a full-time income. And I plan on doing that hopefully by the end of the year, and you guys are going to be along for the journey. But I just want you guys to see this video and understand that you can make money on Etsy. It's not that hard. It really just requires discipline and having some type of creative eye. I hope this deep dive into my January performance has given you some actionable insights and inspiration for your own shop. If you enjoyed the breakdown and want to see more detailed monthly reports and strategies, just be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below on your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and here's to success for me, success for you. But until next time, keep hustling, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.